Hello everyone, my name is Deviya Kadam. I am from Delhi. Last year I have completed graduation in Bachelor of Arts English Honours from Delhi University. I had deep interest in IT field and it's my dream to work in IT field. And one of my friend told me about Evision TechnoServe. She was working in IT field, and from Evision TechnoServe I have done diploma in networking. The mentors of Evision TechnoServes and the teachers were very nice. Like they told you everything. Like as you see, I am belong from non-technical background. They told me each and everything in detail from basic to advanced. Like they helped me a lot in learning about all the networking and all the things required in IT field. They teach me about virtualization, installation of Windows and everything, like you say ITIL and everything. And they are very good. It is very good platform. The teachers are very helpful. I would want to give my special thanks to Sati madam and Ganesh Murthy sir and Amit sir and Prasanjit Majumdar sir. Like they give you the real world exposure. They teach you from theoretical knowledge to practical knowledge. For example, they conduct your class, and after conducting your class they tell you to do practical in front of them. They will give you everything, knowledge of everything. They will teach you everything theoretically as well as practically, so you don't face problem when you are getting placed. For me and for others, it is a very good platform for learning everything that requires in IT field for basic L1 engineer and L2 also. Like they teach you everything, and the staff is also amazing. Like they will help you if you have any doubt or any query, they will solve in minutes. Everyone in the Vision TechnoServe team was very helpful. Like they teach you everything very clearly, very efficiently, and you do not feel any stuck type of thing, like you are stuck, or if you have any doubt you can ask them and they will clear everything very easily. I would just recommend that this was the very best IT platform that I have found, and through them I can learn, I can grow, and I am succeeding in my life from Evision TechnoServe. And I got placement in a company, you all know, Skill India Tech, and my payroll company is GENPACT. GENPACT is a very great company. You all heard the name of GENPACT, but still I get an opportunity to work in GENPACT company with the package of 2.64 lakh per annum. And this was the small steps, but I sure I will get success in my life, and this was all done due to the help of Evision TechnoServe team. Thank you so much.